Are you feeling drained or feeling little lost in your own routines? Feel distracted from your own goals or feeling stuck in the cycle of burnout and recovery?
Oh my god, what is summer? This is the harsh weather. I can't do anything. I don't want to do anything. I'm feeling so disappointed.
Come on. If you are feeling all these terrible things in this summer, you are not alone. Yes. So, in this video, we will make this summer the season of transformation. Hey beautiful souls, welcome back to the Rimspire. I am Rimsha, and if you are new here, in this community, we all committed to grow, glow, evolve, and rise beyond who we were yesterday. We are so committed to become the best version of ourselves. And in this summer, let's do something different. Let's make this season the season of transformation. Let's make this season the season of glow. That's why I am recording this video right now on the summer glow up. On the basis of my experience, on the basis of my research and observation, there are certain things I will discuss in this video that we all should indulge into our routines, into our life, to become the best version of ourselves and to use this summer in our favor. Use this summer season in our favor, not just doom scrolling and aimlessly spending this summer. If you are committed and if you really want to make this summer the season of transformation, so you will watch that video and comment down this emoji that will tell me that you are so committed to become the best version of yourself. So without any further delay, let's discuss about the summer glow up blueprint. In order to make this summer glow up summer for you, we are focusing on the things, the habits we should all indulge into our personality, not only to just look good, but to feel rooted, to feel aligned and more confident about our own energies, about our own routines. So first things first, that is reinvent your routines, building your routines, rebuild your routines, focusing on your routines. First, there are certain mindset shifts we have to focus on to maintain that flourishing routines into our personality. First of all, routines, these plays a huge role for any glow up, not just summer glow up. Routines, maintaining your discipline, indulge those productive habits that help you to achieve your goals best, that help you to stop you from doom scrolling and wasting your time and wasting your life. That will not help you to achieve your goals. So focusing on your routines. First, we have to build the productive routines for ourselves. What are these? Let's break down all the routines that we should indulge into our habits. What are these? First, wake up early. Wake up early. I'm not telling you joining the 5 a.m. club. First thing first, these are routines. Yes. The first summer glow up blueprint tip is maintaining your routine, maintaining the discipline. Be so committed towards your routine and maintain the self-respect, right? If some senior or our boss or our parents tell us to do something, we will do that. If our boss said that you have to come to the office at 8 or 7, we will go because we respect our boss. We respect the system. That's why if we are not the morning person, if this thing is against us to wake up early and get ready and go to the work, but we do that no matter what, because we are maintaining the discipline of that particular office. We are maintaining the respect for our boss. This is exactly like that. If you tell yourself that you have to wake up early in the morning in order to achieve all the things you committed for yourself, in order to complete your to-do list, then not wake up early, it means you are not respecting yourself. This is the sign of your self-respect towards you. If you said something to you that you have to do this, you have to maintain this thing, you have to maintain the discipline, you have to indulge that habit into your routine, and if you don't do that, it means you are not respecting yourself. So maintain the respect for yourself by doing those things that you set for yourself. So wake up early and start time blocking your day. Maintain the self-respect for yourself, because in this journey you are working for yourself. You are not working for anybody else. This is your journey of improvement. This is your journey of becoming you. The person you assume for yourself, the highest self person you assume for yourself. So you have to maintain that respect for yourself, right? And how you will maintain the respect for yourself? By doing that thing you assign for yourself. If you are so committed of becoming the person you assume for yourself, becoming the highest self person of you, then start working according to that. Wake up early, start time blocking your day, do your morning routines. What it could be, it could be anything that is comfortable for you, that is convenient for you. For example, waking up early, wash your face, brush your teeth, pour the glass of water, squeeze the lemon in it, drink that water with lemon. Oh my god, that's so refreshing. So doing all your morning rituals, it will develop the sense of calmness, it will develop the sense of achievement into you, and it will, because you did one step, it will develop the sense of calmness into your personality, right? So make this path easy for you, waking up early. The waking up early path is easy for you because I can relate. I'm not a morning person and it is very difficult for me to wake up early in the morning. So what things we can do to make this path easy? Right. First, fix your sleep schedule. First of all, this is very important. Instead of just overthinking at night and watching your phone and doom scrolling everything, stay your phone away from you, right? Sleep early. That helps you to wake up early. Fix your sleep schedule in order to wake up early in the morning. The morning before you wake up early in the morning, at night, try to write 3 negotiables. Not 10, not 20, not 5, just 3 negotiables. It could be drinking 2 liters of water, going for a walk for 10 minutes to 15 minutes, and do 1 Pomodoro session for your study or any project you are working on. These 3 negotiables really helps you to motivate for the next day and push you to do all these things because they are not feel so, because that doesn't feel so heavy. We set so many realistic things and unrealistic goals for ourselves that when we will not fulfill that, we are trapping ourselves in the feeling of regretment. We are trapping ourselves in the feeling of disappointment. That's why we should focus on these things. We should first think realistic goals that we will easily achieve and that give us the sense of achievement and motivation to do more. Let's discuss the important that girl thing for the summer glow up. Hygiene. Yes. Your hygiene plays the most important role in any glow up, not for just summer glow up. And in summer, it matters the most because we feel so sweaty, we feel so miserable just because of the weather, just because of the sweat, because of the harsh sun. So it is really important, it is really essential to maintain the hygiene. Take the shower, make one tip I really want to mention here. Make your glow up kit. Yes. I am not telling you to buy the expensive products and make the kit for yourself. I am just telling you to make that glow up kit that contains the essential components. Like you can glow up kit by using rose water, sunscreen, your regular soap, deodorant, face mist, freshing mist, and perfume. See, it's so simple. You can also do something creative according to you make something convenient according to you. That's just a tip. This is so easy and accessible to make the glow up kit that everything should be in place and you will not in a hurry to find your sunscreen, find your rose water and apply that later. Apply sunscreen, apply the coconut oil for your hairs. Your future self will thank you for that. And just shower regularly and maintain the hygiene. And you should smell nicely. You should smell divinely. So focus on these things because these are the most essential things to focus on. Let's discuss about the other thing in summer glow up blueprint. What it is, can you guess? So let me tell you. This is your mental glow up. Yes, we talked about the physical glow up, the external confidence, your hygiene, everything like that. But when your inner glow, the outer will glow automatically, right? So your mental glow up is so essential in all these process. How you can mentally glow and evolve by listening podcast. Yes, by listening the other person's perspective, by listening to those who really did something great in their life, who are in the path of journey, who are in the path of success, by consuming those content that really uplift you, that motivates you, that inspires you. It could be anyone you like to hear, anyone who really inspires you, who really boosts up that motivation into your personality, that you really want to do something, that ignites the fire into you, that ignites the fire of motivation of doing things into you. start listening to those people. I'm not telling you to just spending your time, all your time into that. Just 10 to 15 minutes. After that, you automatically start loving that. Your time span automatically. And if you are the book sort of the person, if you don't want to listen 1 or 2 hour podcast or 30-minute video, if you are not that sort of the person, and if you're more into books, start reading books that helps you to broaden your knowledge horizon, that helps you to see life in a different perspective, that helps you to develop the kindness and motivation into your personality. Start reading those stuff that really expand your vocabulary in a good way. And the other thing in Summer Glow Up Blueprint is weekly reset routine. Declutter your space, declutter your mind, put everything together. And the last thing I really want to mention here, create the Pinterest Summer Glow Up board for yourself. Yes, this is exactly like the real board just for your summer. That helps you to be in track, that helps you to keep motivated along that path. Let me tell you one thing, always remember this thing. Summer Glow Up isn't just about becoming someone new. It's about reinventing yourself. It's about incorporating those things into your personality that helps you to keep on track. I think that does bring us to the end of this video. I am really happy to have you all here to this glow up journey, to the season of transformation, and I hope you will achieve all your goals by incorporating certain developing productive habits into your personality. I would really appreciate that if you appreciate me as well by clicking the subscribe button. Until next time, I'll see you soon. Until next time, stay productive, stay glowing, and work on your productive things. I'll see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.